Hi. Today we're going to tell you why automation for marketing is the future of your business. Besides replacing manual tasks, automation also makes way for some very useful features, such as enhancing the overall customer experience and capturing lead intelligence. Let's get started. What does a tech-driven content campaign look like? The first step in determining what automation is appropriate for a content campaign is defining the business goal so you can identify which performance indicators should be prioritized. The content strategy should work to provide something compelling and value-adding to audiences, while the business team, and any digital marketing agency they've partnered with, automates procedures to create and adjust a campaign based on performance. Here are some examples of how automation can streamline your process and strategy. Make a landing page. Landing pages are also known as lead generation pages because it is through these that you can showcase content and capture the wanted contact information from potential leads. In this regard, an automated lead form works with your CRM system to populate and update contact records. Use context-driven content on your website. You can customize the content and products you recommend to your clients based on their behavior while on website by using the right marketing solutions to create a more customized user experience. Scheduled shares on social media. Marketing automation can help you schedule such updates and posts to promote your content in a snap. Contact prioritization and segmentation. Segmenting means creating a new list based on predetermined criteria. You can generate segments for new leads or leads that tend to score higher, which you can label hot leads. This will allow you to look at your lead performance and see where it needs improvement and for which segments it's doing well. Hope you found the information useful. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our videos with other great Google marketing solutions for your business. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye.